Everyone is talking about how Perplexity AI is taking the search world by storm and redefining how we find knowledge. So what if you could bring the search powers of Perplexity AI into your apps without writing a single line of code? Enter BuildShip, a fully visual, low-code backend API and AI workflow builder. Let's say that every time your product gets a new paid subscriber via Stripe, you want to start building out that subscriber's customer profile. You can do this by creating a workflow in BuildShip in just 3 simple steps. Firstly, we add the Stripe webhook as our trigger. This is the starting point of your workflow. Connect to Stripe using your API key securely stored in BuildShip secrets and pick the event you want to start capturing. Here, we're going to select Customer Subscription Created. Next, add the Perplexity node and securely add your API key. For this example, we'll add that we want Perplexity to do an online search to find that user's LinkedIn profile and provide a brief summary. You can change this to match your use case and even add in data you bring in from the many other nodes and integrations inside BuildShip. Now we pick an AI model to use, and new open source and Perplexity built models are being added all the time. But for now, let's pick one of their latest models, Sonar Medium Online, which allows us to search online in real time as well as engage in conversational chat. Next, you add a user prompt. This can come from the Stripe webhook in the form of the new subscriber's email and name. BuildShip gives you the ability to test out each individual node at node level before you ship the entire workflow. This is useful for making sure that your individual components work before tying them together and testing as a whole. Great, works like magic. But the best thing about BuildShip's approach to low-code is that you can access every node's code and logic to edit or tweak as you like, either with the help of BuildShip's powerful AI or directly. You can even generate your own nodes with AI. Everything remains flexible and under your control. Lastly, let's send the response as a message on Discord. For this example, we'll aggregate these in a Discord channel by getting the channel's webhook URL, with the message being the results passed from your Perplexity node. That's it. You can ship this workflow in one click, but that's just the beginning. You could package up this workflow as an API by swapping out the trigger and return nodes. You could expand the logic in your workflow to do almost anything, say, updating your Postgres database in parallel. And once you're done, you can easily test your entire workflow and ship to get an instant API URL for use in any app. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to build powerful AI-driven workflows, combining Perplexity's ability to gather and distill knowledge with BuildShip's flexible low-code platform. How are you using BuildShip to create back-end workflows exactly the way you want? Let us know in the comments, and happy build shipping.